morning, and I'm here to talk about Magic School AI. And today we're going to create a space and create our own custom chatbot for students. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create a Space. I could also come up here to Spaces and create that way. So today I'm going to create a space based off the short story, The Most Dangerous Game. So this is just the title. Basic title, just what I want. And then the prompt directions. Now, I spent some serious time on this prompt, and this is going to become a career field. This is one of those emerging career fields of technology that we have no idea, where English teachers are going to be really important because writing a prompt for AI is becoming a career field. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in the prompt that I crafted, and I'm going to talk you through some of the elements that I included. So the first thing is the task. Give an interview. So that is what the AI is doing. And then I also gave the AI a role to give an interview as Rainsford, so as a character from the story, right? And then I set some parameters. They should be interviewing him about the events and his feelings. They should try to go beyond basic plot. It should steer them to analyze how the character develops over the course of the story and how it relates to the theme of the difference between murder and hunting. Rainsford sees a clear difference between the two, and he's disgusted at Zarnoff hunting men. Zarnoff, however, thinks it's fine. This is just a clear evolution of hunting for him. But in the end, Rainsford is the one who kills Zarnoff. So is Zarnoff right? Is the question. So this is the thing I want my students to think about. I have my AI prompt, and now I'm going to come in and add standards, okay? And because I was already in here once, it defaulted to the standards for 10th grade reading and literature. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down because I want 10, 10, and 3. Okay, so that mostly I want the analyze how characters develop, right? So this is the standard I'm giving them. Now I do have the option here to add files. So I'm going to go ahead and add a file. And I think this is really important. And you could do this with a study, the study guide with the answers for students. I'm going to attach the document, The Most Dangerous Game. And I'm actually going to do something, the magic of television, right? As they say in cooking shows, and come back to it already attached because it does take a little bit of time to attach. Now the rest is optional details. These are things you need to have. You don't have to upload a file, but I think it can be really helpful. I'm going to click Generate All Fields, and it is going to go ahead and look at what I've said and fill out all the other details. So it's going to give it a subtitle, a teacher description, and it's going to start with what the students are going to see, right? So it's going to generate all of these, and it may take a little time for it to generate. So now, and this is great. This is an excellent student description. You are about to interview Rainsford from The Most Dangerous Game, prepared to ask deep questions about his harrowing experience and how it changed his views on hunting versus murder. Did his character evolve? And what does his story tell us about human nature? Get ready to analyze and understand this complex character. Awesome. Okay. So now I can save, I can preview, or I can save and launch. Save is just going to save it and then you'll be able to come back to it. I'm going to go ahead and save and launch so you can see that. And when you save and launch, you get a session that automatically starts. So students could scan a QR code, they could put this code in, or they can copy and go to the website. So copy the website and go to it, and this is what the students see. Now, I sort of demoed this last time. The students put in their name, and they can interview Rainsford, and you can see how it looks for them, okay? I think this is a great start. And I am interested to see what you guys come up with. I'm going to be playing around more with this, and I will send you some of the spaces that I started for you guys to take a look at how I crafted some of them. Have a great week.